In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a condenser microphone inside of an Xbox. So my hair is bad today, but let's get into the video anyway. This tutorial is going to be very simple. First of all, you need an Xbox, you need a condenser microphone, an Xbox controller, wired or wireless, anything is suitable. So, and last but not the least, audio splitter. So this is a Y-type audio splitter. You can see both the mic and the headphone port inside it. So let me get into the video and tell you how we can set up. So after getting the Y-type audio splitter, you need only do one thing. You can just plug the audio splitter inside the Xbox controller, and you can plug the mic inside of the mic port, and that's all. We're set to go. Now I'm going to show a proof inside of my Xbox, so you can just see it on the TV. So you can see that my TV has a crack, which I broke yesterday. So guys, as you can see, when I start a party in Xbox, the audio ring just enlarges and closes. So let me tap on the mic for 5 seconds. So now you can see that the audio ring gets enlarged to an extent that you can hear it. So which means that our condenser microphone can work on Xbox. So guys, I just found out that I broke the TV. The doctor was dumb, so I was pretty frustrated. So I threw the controller over the TV, and now here's it, the crack. My God, I'm dead. Please subscribe.